Flowmaster Outlaws for the Cobra, but this is just an unboxing. Let's get it. YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Chris Rod here, and today what we're going to be doing is simply unboxing the new Flowmaster Outlaws that I got for my 1998 Mustang Cobra. This is such a big deal for me, and I am super excited to finally have this in my possession. First and foremost, I just want to thank and give a big shout out to LMR Late Model Restoration for the cooperation that's been going on recently. So I actually had a package that was sent to me about last week and whatnot, and what ended up happening was, well, let me show you exactly what happened. Damn, it's hot. So here's the original package that I received prior to the second one that I end up getting before I put a claim. And I don't know if you can see already, but you know, there's some stuff going on here that don't look quite all right. And if we just compare the new box compared to the old real quickly, you can really clearly see that all this is sealed with the original staples that they use. There's no tape on here. That one, on the other hand, came with a whole lot of tape. There was just a lot of loose things in there. And I'll even put some pictures maybe right here and over here talking about exactly what happened. You know, it was just, I had tape on one end, and then on the inside, I only had one straight pipe. I mean, I can't do nothing with one pipe. That's going to be crazy. What do I do? And for that reason, while I'm sweating over in this 90-degree weather, I just want to give LMR a big thank you for just everything that they're doing so far. And I'm still working with them right now to see what we can do about this old box, because I don't know what to do with it. I don't want them to think, you know, I'm scamming them, because that's not what's going on. But LMR, thank you yet again. And if you're seeing this, you guys really are the best. You really are. And I'm just going to continue buying from you guys, just working and getting stuff in parts, and you know, I'm just gonna do my shit. That's about it. But enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and open up this Outlaws and see what we got in store. You guys seen the beautiful workbench? That's what I'm gonna show you guys it in. I'm broke. Don't know what to do. And here's our glory. Glory or glory? Here's our box. So here's simply just the outside of the box. Clearly states Flowmaster on it. The performance technology company. I gotta admit, Flowmaster's been around for a while. You're gonna see them with a lot of old school cars and so forth, and new school and all that kind of stuff. But they're just a great company. I love them. I really do. I like all their products. Outlaw, American Thunder, Flow for FX, or, you know, has the movies. I don't know. Force 2, Star Wars, that's great. And if we go over right to the side of the box, we're going to clearly see the part number of this particular catback system. This is for all 1986 to 04 Mustang. This is for the LX, GT, and Cobra models. So this fits for a whole lot of years, man. A whole lot of years. And 409 stainless steel catback system. That's what we got going on over here. This side of the box is just, you know, same thing as the front. Other side of the box, not important. So at first glance, to tackle this, I'm going to simply take all the staples out. That's the right thing to do, and I think that's going to work. Sure. I don't get how, you know, they screwed up, or not them. Who stole that pipe, bro? Honestly, come on, FedEx. Whatever. So now, if I remember correctly, show be wait, hold on, can't speak. What else is new? Anyway, there we go, bro. All right, now this is how I expected it to be. So here we are, opening the box, because I just want to record myself opening a box. Sure. And here we have our Flowmaster Outlaw, dude. This is actually I like, man. Outlaw, this is the flange, you know, this is the muffler, and I don't know if you can see this. You probably can't, because this, you know, you can't really see, but it's all the way through. Hello! You know what I'm saying? That's probably not what you're supposed to do, but sure. It's one pipe there. We're gonna flip this, move this foam out my way, and I should have second pipe right there, dude. Muffler, pipe to the H, flange. This is great. This is absolutely great. So in this particular one, right? So the catback that I went with, I'll put a picture up on the screen, probably like here, over here. I don't know. I'll put a link down below. You guys know the deal. You know. But actually went with the Flowmaster Outlaw dumps, the catback of the dumps. So all it's gonna come with is just the little downpipes right after the muffler. So if you envision it, all that's really gonna happen is these little downpipes are just simply gonna go right in here. They're gonna go onto a clamp, and then it's just gonna shoot straight down to the floor before the axle. That's how these downpipes or dumps, Outlaw, Flowmaster Outlaw dumps, that's how these are gonna potentially work once I install them into the Cobra. That was one dump. If I'm gonna swing on over here, we have another, which is neat because I'm gonna need it. And then we have our hardware. And is that all I need? It's just clamps. Oh, stickers. Like 10 horsepower. And I guess that's it. It's probably it. Wait a minute. I guess it only comes with the clamps, and then I guess these little clips that are on the inside of it. I'm not too positive as to what the clips are for. Raise vehicle up on a hoist rack, blah, blah, yep, okay. And then that's pretty much it. And that's just show you guys everything that really has and what it's supposed to come with and so forth. And that's the box, so we can just get that out of my life. So here's pretty much our whole catback system. I mean, this is really it. We got the downpipes, we got the mufflers, all the way that goes to the H with the flanges, and then we got the clamps that we're gonna clamp the downpipe to the muffler. Pretty simple enough. I'm kind of wondering if there's any extra hardware. I could have sworn there's supposed to be some more hardware with that, but I checked the other box. Let's go look. We got some knife action. Put a little 1, 2, that away. If I open this, should be the force, yeah, blah blah. All right, come on, dude. So that is it. Interesting. Okay, so that's gonna stay in this box in case FedEx or LMR needs to know all this stuff. Hey, here it is. It's all here. It's all that came with it. So that's that. So now I made that little discovery. There's a good chance that once I want to put these into the car, I'm gonna try and get some original bolts or some good old grade 8 or 10-9 bolts, whatever the case may be, because I like to make everything, you know, nice and fresh and new and put new things on. It just marries along well. Instead, you know, I'd rather do that compared to just putting some old bolts back on and then trying to take it back out later for something else, and then, you know, it breaks, and then you gotta worry and be like, what am I doing in my life? Yeah. But for the most part, guys, if I'm gonna be really honest with you, this may be the last time you guys see those particular tailpipes on this Cobra, and that's actually really exciting. Actually, and if it's not the last time you see those tailpipes, I also got my fuel pump. If you guys don't remember from the last video, the fuel pump did come in. Oh, wait. The fuel pump did come in. And the fuel pump that I ended up going with, just so you guys know at least, is the Walbro 255 liter per hour fuel pump. I'll put a picture real quick. It's not that important for this video at the moment, but I'll put that in there just because I did get it, and soon I'm going to be the one to install it and show you guys how to do it so you're not scared to take parts out of your car. And I mean, that thing's expensive. It really is. It's an expensive little piece of shit, but hey, I love it. With all that summed up, this is going to be the new catback that I'm going to install myself in the 1998 Mustang Cobra. Yeah, I know him as Venom, so that's what's going to be going on there. And I also got an H-pipe or an X that I want to marry to it, but that's another time. It's too much money. I don't got it. So with all that being said, if you guys found this video enjoyable in any kind of way, and you are interested in trying to get these particular Outbacks or Flowmaster catbacks, don't forget to go to lmr.com just to be sure to put in your purchase. Use them. They're going to help you out. They got it down pat. Use them. Once again, though, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you want to see more of me and more of the Cobra and any other project I got going on, be sure to smash the subscribe button and as well as ring the notification bell. Till then, it's my boy Chris Rod, and see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace.
No es simplemente una mata. Préndele, do cacha y sube para la nube. Deja que ella